Hello, welcome to the channel. This is a Yasha official art book, and I like the character designs that's in here. It's really nice. They spent a lot of time and effort with this. I really like the art book. It's pretty thick too. Then they have like postcards. So let me pause that real quick. They have the postcards, which are really cool. I really like them. Then they have a poster, but I'm not going to unfold it because it's just big. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Then you get a game. This game's only like 30 bucks. So if you're not really into collecting it, just get the game. It is the Switch version. It's a pretty fun game though. It's like a Dragon Crawler type game. Pretty cool. I play a little bit of it on YouTube. And then you get soundtracks with it, which is really cool. But anyway, hope you guys like that. Yeah, it's a fun little game. Fun, cool stuff that you get with it. Thanks for watching.